Good morning, I am Shashi Gurun and welcome to Online Learning Programming in C++. Today, the topic is related to conversion from fraction BCD code into its equivalent binary form. So, the first step is to convert the fraction BCD code into its equivalent decimal number system, and from decimal number system, it is converted into its equivalent binary code. So, let's discuss this topic with the help of example. Suppose the BCD code given is 00101000 dot 0010 and 0101. Suppose this is a BCD code and it is to be converted into binary form. Now this BCD code will be first converted into its equivalent decimal, and from decimal it will be converted into its equivalent binary form. Now we know that the decimal system, that is 4, and the its BCD code will be represented in 4 bits, that is 0100. Similarly, for other decimal numbers, suppose 8, the equivalent BCD code is 1000. So this is a BCD code. Now the binary number, that is 00101000 dot 0010 and 0101. Now you can see that this 4 digits is 8 and this 4 digit is equivalent to 2. So the integer part is 28. Now you can see that this fractional part is 2 and this 010 is equivalent to 5. So the equivalent decimal number is 28.25. So this is equivalent decimal number system. Now from decimal number system it is converted into its equivalent binary form. That is, first the integer part will be converted into its equivalent binary form. After that the fractional part will be converted into its equivalent binary form. So let's make the integer part into its equivalent binary form. To make the integer part into its equivalent binary form, we have to divide the number by 2. 2, 14, 28, remainder is 0. 2, 7, 14, remainder is 0. 2, 3 ja 6, remainder is 1. 2, 1 ja 2, remainder is 1. So we will follow bottom to top approach, that is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. This integer part is equivalent to 1100. Now the fractional part, that is 0.25. As we know that when we convert the fractional decimal number system into its equivalent binary number system, then the fraction part is multiplied by 2. So we multiply this fractional part with the 2. The output will be 0.50. Here the integer part is 0, so we will write here 0. Now we will multiply again this fractional part, that is 0.50 multiplied by 2. The value will be 1.00. Here the fractional part is 0, so we'll stop here, and the integer part is 1. So we will write here 1. Now follow the top to bottom approach. 28.25 is equal to 11100. Point fractional part will be equal to 01. So this is equivalent binary number system. of that BCD which we have taken earlier. So today I think you have understood how to convert the fraction BCD code into its equivalent binary form, that is by converting the fraction BCD code into its equivalent decimal form, and from decimal form it is converted into its equivalent binary form. So that's all about converting from fraction BCD code into its equivalent binary form. You can take any number that is in BCD fraction and convert that into its equivalent binary form. Thank you.